Home Minister Govindas Konthoujam, Moirang Assembly Constituency MLA Thongam Shanti and Bishnupur Superintendent of Police visited Gelmon village and Uyung Makhong village to assess the situation on the ground. The visit came after a bomb explosion in Tronglaubi area which killed 2 innocent children and injured others. The Home Minister's team also inspected the site where 3 civilians were killed in CRPF firing after enraged people stormed the CRPF camp, damaging properties at Gelmon village. It may be mentioned that a team of National Investigation Agency had earlier visited the site too. After inspecting the areas, the Home Minister went to the bereaved family at Tronglaubi and met members of the Joint Action Committee and Merapai Peace. During the meeting, the JAC strongly criticized the government, stating that it had failed to address the sentiments of the people and had not taken any concrete steps regarding the incident. The Home Minister assured the protesters that the matter would be discussed with Chief Minister at the earliest and necessary actions would be taken up. He added that the demands raised by the JAC would be placed before the Chief Minister for early resolution. He also stated that central forces deployed at Gelmon village would be withdrawn and replaced by state forces to maintain law and order. Regarding the 3 civilians killed in the CRPF firing, the minister said the case is under NIA investigation. Meanwhile, MLA Thongam Shanti visited the relief camp at Moirang College, Block B, and met the family of a civilian who lost life in the incident and extended assistance. Members of MLA officer Moirang also extended assistance to those injured in the incident.
Honorable Chief Minister Gatana Zareharaga, Prajaga Pamagi Central Forces Singsi, Mapam Saba Singa Hongzilla Tronglaubi, Praja Single, Nanga Security Forces Singsidana, who limited over state forces Singsi, Tamnana by Koisodana, Honor Taurangama, Tauzari, Maramadana, Prajada, Piltozan in Madi, Akoi, Punsidna Haraga, Amatu Ibagi, Wakalonda, Amungana Siguma Tautoxi Toktanava, Sarkada, Sozo Pinaview, Sarkada, Suggestion Piview, Sarkarna, Wayabamakai, Prajagi, Ihun Kanga, Tabuk Zagani Hava, Wafam Sena, Medagi through the Tamzari.